In the 2 minutes I was originally allowed, I wanted to focus very much on our responsibility as an honest friend to Israel and sometimes a critical friend. That's not in any way to distance myself from the remarks that the Noble Lord Childs has just made about the failures of the Palestinian Authority, which I endorse. I, my lords, am a friend of Israel who wants the UK to continue its strong relations with Israel and absolutely supports the country's right to exist and continuing security. And as we've heard already, we must never forget the memory within Israel of the obsession of some to remove Israel from the map. However, I have often spoken in those terms in this House before, and my shared Scottish kinship with the Lord Balfour does make me reflect very much on the creation of the Israeli state. However, my Lord, it's as a friendly nation and ally, it is incumbent upon us, not least because of our historical responsibility, to use our influence to ensure that the Israel we support is upholding its international obligations, and it is those I wish to dwell on this evening. My Lords, we must support any talks and communication that try to stop the spiralling acts of violence that we've already seen this year and the rising tension within Israel and the occupied territories. But I would ask my noble friend the Minister that we continue to raise with Israel, as part of our commitment to international law, our commitment to Articles 55, 56 and 59 of the Geneva Convention, and our commitment to the Oslo Accord, that we continue to raise in our discussions with Israel our opposition to the building of illegal settlements, our commitment to ensure that the Palestinian people in areas B and C of the occupied territories have full access to education and health services, and most importantly, my Lords, that we do follow international law, and as we witnessed did not happen in Hawara, that the IDF is fully empowered and has a responsibility to protect all civilians from violent attack or disruption. And I think it is very important as well that we do question and seek legal advice as a government on the recent transfer of responsibilities for settlers from military jurisdiction to Israeli civilian responsibility. How does that square, my Lords, with our own opposition to annexation of the West Bank in terms of responsibility for those settlements? To be secure, as well as to carry international support, Israel requires critical friends. Can the Minister confirm that we will continue to be one such friend?